In this video, I'm gonna check if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on Samsung Galaxy A27. So of course, in order to check that, we need to go to the camera, and I'm gonna switch to the video mode over here. And first, I'm gonna use the full HD resolution with 30 frames per second. I'm just gonna start recording, and there we go. We should be able to zoom out using the point X ultra wide angle. And as you can see, we do have the switch of lenses in here without any problems. Let's see if we zoom in more if something happens, but now in this case nothing happens, but still it is possible to switch lenses just like that. Now I'm gonna also check out other settings. So if I type over here, we should be able to use, for example, 60 frames per second, but in this case we cannot really zoom out to 0.5, so here we cannot switch lenses even before we start recording, so I don't think that there's any point of checking that. And the same case is with the 4K resolution, unfortunately. So yes, it is possible if you use full HD 30 frames per second settings. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.